How to fix stumble guys ping on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix stumble guys ping on Android phone. First, open settings, click this icon here in the top corner, and first thing you need to do is make sure your resolution is low. Don't make it like that, just make it like that, and that's it. Now scroll down, and here you will find server region. Click on it, click change, and now just choose the closest server to you, like Europe, and that's it. Now go back and try again, click play, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.